What's going on, everyone? My name is Carlos and this is Amanda.
Hi.
And today we're going to be washing my car with the Ego 2100 PSI pressure washer. And it is in this like compact form here. Now, I'm not an expert or I've never actually used a pressure washer in my life. So we're going to learn together, Amanda and I. But this car is filthy dirty and I just want to kind of go over. You probably can't see it too well, but it is like really, really dirty, and especially the front. The front's probably what makes me cringe the most. We just have so many spots, so much sap, so much bugs. It's kind of crazy. And again, this is not going to be like a professional review because I don't wash cars for a living or anything like that. But basically why I bought this is because I kept going to car washes and I'm just kind of tired of going to them and wasting money. So now that I have my own little mini pressure washer just to wash this car, that's going to be handy. And even the roof here in the top, I don't know if you can tell, it's also very, very dirty. So this is going to be a big cleanup here. And also Lisa's outside. I think she just lost her ball, so let me grab that. All right, so one of the reasons why I chose the Ego pressure washer instead of any other pressure washers, because I actually already have an additional battery. I got this for free at Ace Hardware Store and they were just running a promotion. I bought one of their products, so I got a free battery. This is the 5 amp hour battery. I believe when you buy the combo with this, it actually comes with a 6 amp one. So we'll see how long it takes. Basically, we're gonna do one touch-free car wash where we're gonna rinse it with water, put on the soap, and then rinse it with water again. After doing that, just to kind of get everything off, then we're actually gonna hand wash it. Hopefully the battery can last that long. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started and see how easy it is to, to set up this pressure washer. All right, just to take a quick look at this, it is a little hefty, but it is very compact. This is where you put the battery, so you just open it up and stick it in there, and then you close it. You got the power on button here, you got the speed here, and then pretty much all the accessories can all be on here. So here's the gun, here's a soap bottle, foam, hose, the other hose, and then on the sides is where you have your tips. So everything's just very compact, which I really enjoy, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted this one specifically, just because it's how small it is and how compact it is. All right, so this is the hose. We're gonna disconnect what's normally on here, and then we're going to connect this to the Ego here, and I believe it's going to be on the side right here. So we're just going to let's see. All right, it took us a minute, but Amanda figured it out, and now it's tight on here. We're going to turn on the water just to make sure it's tight enough and nothing leaks.
Coming from the other side.
It's coming around the other side. Okay, that's a good sign. All right, so we have that part done. This comes with like a quick release mechanism that's already installed, so we don't really have to do anything. So this is kind of what it looks like, and from my understanding, all you have to do is just push it in, I think, maybe. Oh yeah, like that. I think that's it. I think that's all we got to do. Here's the gun that it includes, that it comes with. And again, all we're gonna have to do is push this into it, and that's it. So that's a lot easier than screwing the hose on there. So I'm pretty sure we're good. I think this is all we have to do. Let's just do a quick test run. I'm gonna put in the battery. So again, this is the 5 amp battery. So we're just gonna stick it in. You open this thing. You should be able just to snap it in, close it, and then turn it on. Okay, before we turn it on, let me turn on the water. I think the water's on, so now let's turn it on. There we go. So in theory, well, I guess we need to put a tip.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put in the tip. I think that's, oh, you know what? We're all learning here. I'm worried because it just comes out. Oh, there you go. Okay, it's locked in. And then this does have like a safety lock, kind of like a gun, I guess. So you just unlock it. So yeah, this works. I'm gonna have Amanda try it out. So just go ahead and press it.
Oh yeah, it feels powerful.
Yeah. And that's on the lowest setting.
And which one is, how you put the strongest one?
So yeah, you change it on here. So we're gonna go ahead
Oh.
and go to third. Actually, I think, yeah, okay, third one. So go ahead and press it.
And we were at 1?
Yeah, we're at 1. This is 3.
You feel it, yeah.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse off the car on level 2 and kind of go from there. Put this a little bit closer to you. All right, yeah, go ahead and power it away and just spread it around. And this is how loud it is. I'm gonna put the microphone a little bit closer to the water pressure. I'm sure you can hear it. All right, so we've been rinsing it off. We kind of don't know what we're doing. So if anybody wants to give us some hints, please feel free. I won't get offended because this is our first time. But yeah, so far we're getting some of the grime off just by the water itself. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the foam that it comes with, and we are going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax Hydrophobic in 2025. That's crazy. We're pretty much all done making it nice and wet. How do you like it?
I love it. It even took out the stains just with this. So.
All right, so let's figure out how to use the foam cannon here. This is what it looks like. All right, so we have the soap and water, or there's no water in here yet, but we're gonna put water. I don't know the ratio, so I'm just gonna put, I guess, like a little bit of soap and then make it more watery. So let's just put some in here. I say a little bit, now it's like 10 shots.
Half of the bottle.
I don't know if that's enough. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I feel like that's not enough. And then we're gonna put some water in here. All right, we're gonna put the top on. We're just gonna shake it up. So that way, sorry, I got some on her. And now we're gonna connect it on here. And we're just gonna push down. And it should click like that, I think, hopefully. That seems, yeah, it was secure, okay. I think that should be it. Let's test it out. Hopefully it works. If not, the soap is just gonna, yeah, it seems to be working. So let's go ahead and try it out here. So yeah, it is working. As you can see, my car is covered in soap. I'm thinking we probably need to work on the ratio from soap to water because I think it should be a little bit foamier, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna scrub it anyways afterwards. But yeah, I'm gonna let her, I'm sure she wants to do this part, so I'm gonna let her do it and go from there. All right, so we are back. So again, we basically did like a quick wash. We just rinsed it up, put soap, and now we rinsed it up again. Now this is the part where we're actually gonna touch it. So we're gonna put soap on it one more time, and then we're actually gonna scrub it with our sponges we have here. So just to kind of show you, we have our bucket, and we have these microfiber sponges that we're gonna clean the whole car. All right, quick update. So this is our fourth and final rinse. As you can tell, pretty much got all of this done. Now I'm gonna go on the other side, but look how clean and shiny. Of course, we're gonna dry it in just a moment, but our battery died. And I literally have to still rinse out this half here. So we're gonna do that in just a second. Luckily, I have another battery. This is the battery for the mower. And we're gonna turn it off and just pop this one out, and I'll let you pop that one in. Does it fit? Hopefully it fits. Oh yeah, it fits, okay. So then you can charge that one. Turn this on. All right. So yeah, there we go. And then see if this works. Yeah, so that was really quick. But again, I'm fortunate enough to have 2 batteries. I mean, honestly, I feel like what I did was a little overkill. I mean, I basically I'm washing it twice. But if you were just doing one wash, then you should be fine with a 5 amp or 6 amp. But since I'm washing it twice, it looks like it just kind of kills the battery a little bit faster. All right, and here is the end result. It's a ginormous difference. The lighting probably doesn't help it too much, but it is a huge, huge difference. I'm just trying to show you guys here. And even the booty is super shiny. I think it even got whiter. I really enjoy this thing. I feel like if we didn't try to wash it 4 times, the battery probably would have lasted. I was on level 2 the entire time, so that's the medium setting. It probably would have lasted if we used level 1 the entire wash. So I would hypothesize that if I left it on level 1 and washed it 4 times, it would have lasted to the very end. I mean, I'm happy because I'm already part of the system of the Ego batteries. I already have 2 batteries, so I don't really have to worry too much about batteries since I already have them. I really just love the convenience. Everything's just tiny. It's here. I can just like carry the handle and just move around the car. Yeah, you really can't tell too much in the camera, but it is a ginormous difference. I was really impressed with pretty much everything. Let me get Amanda's opinion. Do you like the Ego pressure washer?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, it's great. Like you can clean it even just if you spray all the water on it. Like in the very first moment that we did it, it was a difference already.
Yeah.
And now it looks way shinier.
Yeah, it is so much. It's like a brand new car, basically. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Definitely am keeping this Ego pressure washer. It's so tiny and compact. I really love that. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Peace.